Mima and Zyaba are best friends.
Hi kids, I am Mima and this is Zyaba. Welcome to our show! Do you also get a lot of packages and boxes around Christmas time? Zyaba and I have a great idea how to recycle this old box and make a beautiful Christmas ornament! Ta-da! Let me teach you how to make this ornament! Alright, Zyaba, let's put this ornament on our Christmas tree! Let's go! Subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this! I hope you found this video useful! See you next time!